Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll talk about how we can actually start creating data inside the team and how can we start collaborating using the teams section. So firstly, so far what we have seen is we've seen how can we create an organization and then we can add employees, invite our employees. To invite our employees, we can invite them using the organization code, which they can use by downloading the Chrome extension, clicking on the organization icon, and then entering the organization code. That's the first way to do it. The second way to do it is inviting them by email, and then they join by the invitation that they get on the email, and then they use the same email to download the Chrome extension and log in from the same email ID. So now we are at a stage where we have an organization created and we have some employees who have joined the organization. So how do we start using it? So first of all, once we go to the workspace, which is workspace.eazybe.com, we see three sections: analytics, team inbox, and manage tools. Let's start with the manage tools section here. Inside the manage tools, we see quick replies, labels, and user profile. Firstly, let's start with quick replies. Quick replies are these quick reply templates that you create so that you don't have to type the same message again and again. Whatever quick reply templates you create here will be centrally created across the organization in WhatsApp of your entire team. Let's quickly jump into it and create a quick reply template here. Let's say we create a template one here, and let's say hello. Good morning. How are you? Let's say we create this template and we created this. Now, if we open WhatsApp, we see that the template one is already created. Clicking on this, automatically a message gets sent. One thing that you have to note about this is when I was creating a quick reply template, it was asking me whether you want to create it for the organization or for a specific team. You can customize your quick replies based on whether you want to create it for the entire organization or you want to create it for specific teams. It is up to you. You can create different quick replies for your sales team, customer support team, project management team, and so on, operations team, and so on. So it allows you to create as many templates, add attachments to it. You can upload any kind of attachments to it, and any quick reply template you create, it starts appearing in WhatsApp of your team. I hope it's very clear. It's a very simple section. Similarly, we'll jump onto the user profile section. So the user profile section is essentially a section which allows you to manage the profile of the customer that your team is talking to. So it's, think of it like a CRM on WhatsApp. So essentially, you can customize the user properties that you want to capture about a particular customer. For example, name, priority, email ID. This will matter and it will be different for every business. But let's say for your business, whatever user properties you have, you can create them. Let's say you have a business in which you have some properties like what are the uh, color of a fabric. So let's say you have a fabric business. So you can create a tag by the name of color and you can create it. So now you have a tag by the name of color. Similarly, you can say I have a fabric business and I would like to know whether the customer has a what kind of requirement does he have? Is he a wholesaler or is he a, so as in the type of customer, and you can essentially say whether it's a select field. It can be a text or it can be a select field, and you can create it. And whenever you create a property, you can also edit it here. So for example, you can say that it's a wholesaler or a retailer. You can save it. So these are whatever user profile you create here, it will also start being visible inside WhatsApp of your team. So that way is what happens is, so as you can see, the color and the type are visible, and type is essentially a drop down wholesaler and retailer. So this way you can control the user profile based on your business requirements. So it's typically like a CRM where you can control the user profile. Happy to answer any questions. Thank you for your time.